Hello everyone, I am Dattatray Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda. New day, new topic. And our today's topic is multidiscipline engineering. This is the topic is a continuation of our previous videos, that is the introduction to engineering and various types of engineering, which is already created and published on our channel eFunda. Please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to engineering and project. In this topic, today we will cover brief about all the disciplines are involved in a project where engineering activities are included. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest updates and review and upload of any new video related to engineering topic. Let's begin with our today's topic, that is a multidiscipline engineering, abbreviated as MDE. Let's begin with our today's topic, that is a multidiscipline engineering. So far we have seen introduction to engineering. The discipline of engineering comprises a broad range of a more specialized fields of engineering, each with a more specific emphasis on a particular areas of applied mathematics, applied science, and type of application. Introduction to multidiscipline engineering. Today, mainly there are six major branches of engineering, namely mechanical, chemical, civil, electrical, management, and geotechnical, and hundred of different subcategories of engineering under each branch. Each main discipline will provide you test of various skills and knowledge required to work in any field related to these disciplines. In today's video, we will cover about their functions of each discipline and the software or specialized tools are being used by each discipline. Multidiscipline engineering, project detail engineering work involves various disciplines are as follows, and their activities shall be discussed further in our today's topic. In multidiscipline engineering, mainly process engineering, civil structure engineering, mechanical engineering, plant design and piping engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation and controls engineering. These are the various other disciplines are involved for detail and design engineering of any particular project where mainly the engineering activities are considered or being executed as a project scope. Let's continue with each discipline to understand their functionality and their deliverables in brief for better understanding of a multidiscipline engineering topic. Process engineering. The process engineering involves the utilization of multiple tools and methods depending upon the exact nature of the system. Processes needed to be simulated and modeled using mathematics and computer science. The intelligent data generated from smart plant PNIDs can be further integrated with PDS and smart plant 3D model. The principal areas of focus in process engineering are process design, process control, process operation, supporting tools, process economics, process data analytics. Now, specialized tools are being used by the process engineering teams are Aspen Plus, HTFS, HTRI, EV Elite, Smart Plant PNIDs, and a number of internally developed equipment design programs by each discipline. These are the specialized tools are being used by process engineering team for betterment and exact and accurate reliable engineering input to the other disciplines. Process engineering, the various services covered under process engineering are process simulation, heat and material balance calculations, material of construction diagram, hydraulic analysis, line sizing and relief valve sizing, design of process equipment, development of process flow diagrams, that is PFDs, and equipment data sheets, development of a process and instrumentation diagram, actually that is a piping and instrumentation diagram, safety and hazardous, and operability, that is HAZOP review. These are the various services are covered under process engineering. Moving on to civil structural engineering. The civil structural engineering group undertakes the complete detail engineering of all structure and foundation pertaining to any plant, non-plant, utility, offsites, and offshore structure. The team of engineers and designers, well equipped with international design codes and experience in executing all types of structural analysis, design, and drafting assignment. Specialized use tools by civil and structural engineering team are ACE framework utilities, base plate, framework plus, and PCA columns, SPAD Pro, SDS2, PDS, SmartPlant 3D, and other platform for 3D modeling, and a number of internally developed structural and foundation design programs. The various services covered under structural engineering include structural analysis and design, foundation and reinforced concrete analysis and design, cut and field design, site drainage and road design, structural steel connection, and detailing services. These are the activities covered under civil and structural engineering. Mechanical engineering. The mechanical engineering group designed various types of static and dynamic equipment using internationally accepted design codes and software. Specialized tools: ANSYS, AutoCAD, Compress, CodeCalc, MicroStation, TV Elite, SmartPlant 3D, Tank, and a number of internally developed equipment design programs used by mechanical engineering team. The various services includes are design of a static and a rotating equipment such as pumps, vessels, tanks, and heat exchanger, reactor, columns, and agitator. Heat exchanger setting plan, finite element analysis, design of a material handling equipment such as conveyors, crushers, elevators, and crane. Preparation of a technical specification for procurement of equipment. Generation of a fabrication drawing, technical bid evaluation, that is TBE, plant design, and piping engineering. This group carries out an entire range of activities, that is stress analysis, conceptual planning and studies, 3D modeling, isometrics, pipe supports, interference check, as as well as the creation of a design reviews and report. Specialized tools: AutoCAD, Caesar 2, Isogen, MicroStation, Orthogen, TDS, SmartPlant 3D, and other platform 3D modeling, Global Server, Silicon Forge Pipe Support Modeler, SmartPlant Material, SmartPlant Review, SmartPlant Toolgen, and Smart Sketches. These are the tools are being used by the piping engineering. The various services included are complete plant layout services, including equipment arrangement, plot plan development, and conceptual layout, 2D and 3D equipment and a piping modeling, static and dynamic piping stress analysis, laser scanning, and as built-in services, complete piping material management services, including pipe specification and a reference database development and maintenance, procurement of a piping material and specialty item, site construction support services. These are the covered services under pipe plant design and piping engineering. Electrical engineering. Electrical engineering carries out power system studies using ETAP and other applicable software. The team also undertakes 3D modeling of a trace, lighting fixtures, and other electrical equipment. Specialized tools: AutoCAD, CG Lux, ETAP, MicroStation, SmartPlant Electrical, PDS, SmartPlant 3D, and other platform for 3D modeling. Various services are included are electrical load analysis, and design of a system architecture, power distribution system design, motor control center and substation design, protective relay coordination, lightning design, grounding design, 3D design of a electrical component, cable and a tray routing, sizing and scheduling, hazardous area classification, plant communication system design, procurement services of all types of electrical equipment. These are the specialized services are covered under electrical engineering. Instrumentation and controls engineering. This group executes detail engineering activities for all types of instrumentation in process and power industries. The major services include instrument markup on PNIDs, preparation of a specification data sheet, development of a field instrument, JB panels, location plans, wiring and a loop drawing, hookup diagram, PLC DCS IO assignment, DCS configuration, etc. and creation, import of instrument indexes, flow sensors, control wall and thermowell sizing calculation. Specialized tools, AutoCAD, Smart Plant Instrumentation, InTools, MicroStation, PDS, Smart Plant 3D and other platforms for 3D modeling activities. The various services included are complete control system design and architecture, design and a specification of a distributed control system, that is a DCS, programmable logic controller, that is a PLC, and supervisory control and data acquisition, that is a SCADA system, control wall sizing and selection, instrument design and specification, procurement services for all types of instrumentation and control equipment. These are the activities are being carried out by instrumentation and control engineering. In today's video, that is a multidiscipline engineering, we have covered process engineering, civil structural engineering, mechanical engineering, plant design and a piping engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation and controls engineering. We have covered this topic in brief such a way that one will understand the functionality of each discipline and it will be helpful to enhance your understanding on a multidiscipline engineering topic. Thanks for watching eFunda channel. For engineering videos, we always try to cover topics such a way that we will provide a required input or a point should be covered in each video. If you are new to our channel eFunda, then please subscribe to our channel and support our team, and don't forget to press bell icon and all button to get update to you personally whenever we upload any new video or any information related to our channel. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda. Stay tuned for a new topic. Till then, bye and thanks for watching eFunda channel.